Hi, I'm Najat Mohad, a partner pre-sales engineer at Planview Tasktop Hub. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to be demonstrating how IBM Engineering Integration Hub integrates IBM Engineering Workflow Management with Jama to improve the speed, velocity, and quality of your deliveries. Tasktop automates the flow of work across tools and between IT practitioners to eliminate duplicate data entry, human error, and administrative overhead. IBM Engineering Workflow Management provides a scalable solution to optimize communication and collaboration among teams and stakeholders to maximize productivity and quality. It enables you to capture, trace, analyze, and manage changes to work items while maintaining compliance with regulations and standards. With IBM Engineering Workflow Management, you can improve the management of project scope and cost through your organization and supply chain. In this demo, we will see how IBM Engineering Integration Hub reliably and seamlessly performs bidirectional synchronization between IBM Engineering Workflow Management and other tools, eliminating friction and delay and normalizing the data as it flows through a model. We will see how IBM Engineering Integration Hub automates artifact creation in IBM Engineering Workflow Management based on activities and other tools like Jira, Jama, or Azure DevOps. We will also see how IBM Engineering Integration Hub automates traceability by inserting back references and links to twin artifacts in other tools. And lastly, we will see the intuitive interface where all integrations are set up and administered. So, in the demo I am about to show you, we are going to look at an integration for a company building a new application. When a user creates an epic and story in IBM Engineering Workflow Management, IBM Engineering Integration Hub will flow the epic over to Jama under a specified project. As IBM Engineering Integration Hub synchronizes these items back and forth between tools, you will see updates such as progress, priority, and assignee flow between IBM Engineering Workflow Management and Jama. So, let's get started. We'll begin by starting in our IBM Engineering Workflow Management workspace and creating a new epic. We'll provide a name, we'll pick a value for filed against, priority, and also add a description. As we're creating this new epic, IBM Engineering Integration Hub is checking both tools and working seamlessly in the background to identify any new artifact creations or artifact modifications. Once these changes are made, IBM Engineering Integration Hub will then push those changes over to your opposite tool. Here you can see we've hopped over into our Jama instance and that new epic was created. We can now go in and do things like change the description and the priority. Once we've saved those changes, we'll then be able to go back into IBM's Engineering Workflow Management and see those changes being applied to our existing epic. You can now begin to see how IBM's EI Hub allows your teams in both IBM EWM and Jama stay up to date on their work items created to manage their day-to-day work. This allows your teams to have the information that they need when and where they need it. We'll now go ahead and create a new story in IBM's Engineering Workflow Management. We'll provide a name, we'll set the size value, and a description. Once we've saved this new story, IBM Engineering Integration Hub will then push it over into Jama to create a new story. From there, it'll pull back the now existing ID and URL from Jama and display that here next to the fields that we have named Jama ID and Jama URL. From there, we can hop back into Jama and locate the newly created story in the project that we routed it to and change a few of the fields such as priority and story points. We'll also be able to see the newly created ID and URL from our existing story in IBM's Engineering Workflow Management. Lastly, we'll take a look at the parent-child relationship that IBM's Engineering Integration Hub was able to maintain from EWM to Jama, as well as create an additional comment in Jama that will flow back over into our EWM story. While today's example may seem simple, it provides just a glimpse into the value that IBM's Engineering Integration Hub can provide to your organization. EI Hub integrates with out-of-the-box and custom artifacts and fields in both IBM Engineering Workflow Management and Atlassian Jira. This allows your teams to build the integrations needed to accelerate your deliveries. In summary, business and IT professionals across these two tools collaborated with each other seamlessly, never having to leave their tool of choice, never having to copy and paste information, and never having to exchange over email. This integration was brought to life through IBM Engineering Integration Hub's clear and intuitive administration UI, one place from which to rule all your integrations. You can configure precisely what flows and how it flows with maximum reuse thanks to models. And you can easily monitor the activity of your integrations and view metrics on just how much manual effort you are saving your organization. If you like what you saw and would like to learn more, contact us for a demo or evaluation at www.tasktop.com/contact-us.